And for those who, did ask about my book, Don't Cry, it's available on Amazon. And this is it, my people. If you're in the States, you can contact me directly and I will get it to you. Or if you want to order it on Amazon, you can go on Amazon. On Amazon, it will be $14.99. To get it directly from me, it will be $20, and that's include, shipping and all of that. You get me? Let me run across the screen all the prices you will see on Amazon for this book, Don't Cry. It talks about my journey. It talks about, it's all poetry, people, amazing poetry. And I think I can drop a few poems. Yeah. So the book is called Don't Cry, as you see, by Craig A. Kirkland. That's my real name, different from my performance name. So let me drop Don't Cry. And I will talk more about the other events that took place. As I say, it's a happy moment in time, in a happy mood. Just got the Rhode Island Icon Award for our short film, The Jamaican Poet. Also, do look out and check that short movie out. We created that film within 48 hours. But I'm going to tell you more on that. And I'm going to tell you more about the award ceremony that took place at the Met on the 8th of August. Don't Cry. Dedicate this one to my parents and my kids. Mama, don't cry. I'm going to make this work. Never stop praying for us even when you're experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom. Inside hurts, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside a church. Listen to this. I will not quit even if I have to keep crawling in the dirt. Don't cry. Daughter, don't cry. You tried to make things work. You are my first hero. You motivate me to serve. Son, about the ball thinking you failed. Dad, I value your worth. You inspired me immensely. Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry. They never got it at first. So excited seeing Daddy's first merch. Not like my sales boosting online. Honestly, at times it seems like my life in reverse. Many people depending on me. I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm going to break this generational curse. Don't cry. As I said before, look out and check the book out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Another multi-talented Jamaican. Tell them precisely. Great ways the gateway while the sunshine will make air. Tell them precisely. The journey continue. I will never stop, as I say. Persons who wish to supporting fans can, send a contribution on PayPal. Artist Craig Kirkland. If you want Zelle, Artist Craig Kirkland at gmail.com. If you want Cash App, it's $ Artist Craig Kirkland, as I say. We're up on a journey and the journey continue. With all of that said, people do remember the Pawtucket Poetry continues on August 14th. So if you're in Rhode Island and you want to check some poetry out, yes, do remember.
They say it's a free world, free speech. Fear not. If you've got your story to share, there's a global audience anticipating to hear. Be bold, be truthful, tell them precisely. Join us on youtube.com, Great Amaziyah, for the TDP show, Sundays at 5 p.m. And this is not about just interviewing artists only, but we want to interview everybody. Players of instruments, comedians, poets, actors, actresses, dancers, people with talents who now get fair share. And remember, it's all about honesty, the truth about your opinion. We want the world to know. Amaziyah the Great, tell them precisely.